Hello and welcome to English Time with Ben. My name is Ben. I am from the United States. I am happy you are here today. Today the episode is about things I do at home for fun. I will use simple words. I will use short sentences. This is a voice script. You can listen and practice with me. You can pause and repeat. You can speak out loud. That will help your English. We will start with easy ideas. I will talk about things I like to do at home. I will tell short stories. I will give a sample introduction you can use. I will ask you to repeat some sentences. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Now we will begin. First, I will tell you about reading. I like to read at home. I read books and magazines. I read in the morning with a cup of tea. I read at night before bed. Reading is calm and quiet. Reading helps my English. I learn new words. I learn new ideas. You can read a comic book or a short story. You can read a recipe. You can read a news article. Reading can be fun. Next, I will talk about watching movies and shows. I watch movies at home. I like comedies and dramas. I like short shows too. I watch with subtitles at first. Subtitles help me learn new words. I pause the video to repeat a phrase. I watch the same episode again. Repeating helps memory. You can watch a cartoon show to learn simple words. You can watch a cooking show to learn food words. Now I will talk about cooking. I like to cook at home. Cooking is creative. I try new recipes. I try simple recipes first. I mix vegetables and rice. I bake cookies sometimes. Baking is fun and sweet. The kitchen can be a classroom. You can learn words like stir, chop, fry, bake, mix, and boil. You can tell a friend, I cook dinner tonight. Repeat after me, I cook dinner tonight. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. I will talk about music next. Music is fun at home. I play the guitar sometimes. I sing along to songs. I listen to music when I clean. I listen to music when I cook. Music helps mood. Music also helps with rhythm and words. Learn a simple song in English. Sing with the words on the screen. Repeat the chorus out loud. Repeat after me, I like this song. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Now I will talk about exercise. I do light exercise at home. I do simple yoga moves. I stretch in the morning. I do a short walk in place. Exercise helps my health. Exercise makes me feel happy. You can learn words like stretch, breathe, stand, sit, lift, and relax. Say the words slowly. Repeat after me. Breathe in. Breathe out. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Next, I will talk about games. I play board games at home. I play card games with my family. I play puzzles and jigsaw puzzles. I play video games too. Games can be fun and social. Games help thinking and strategy. Games also help with simple counting and words. You can invite a friend to play online. You can say to a friend, would you like to play? Repeat after me. Would you like to play? You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. I will talk about crafts and art. I like to draw and paint at home. I use pencils and watercolors. I make a small craft gift. I make greeting cards for friends. Making art is calm and creative. Art helps me relax. Art is also a way to practice words. Say the words paint, draw, color, cut, glue, and fold. Repeat the words slowly. Repeat after me, I like to draw. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Now I will talk about gardening. I plant small herbs in pots. I grow basil and mint. I water the plants in the morning. Gardening is peaceful. Gardening teaches patience. I watch the plants grow. I smell the fresh herbs. Use words like plant, soil, water, grow, and bloom. Repeat after me, I water my plants. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. I will talk about pets. I have a pet or I visit a friend with a pet. Pets are fun at home. I play with a dog or a cat. I teach simple tricks. I feed and brush my pet. Pets give joy and company. I say hello to my pet in the morning. Repeat after me. Hello, puppy. Hello, kitty. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Next, I will talk about learning new skills. I learn a new hobby at home. I try knitting or simple carpentry. I learn to take photos with my phone. I learn a new language online. Learning is a fun hobby. It gives purpose to time at home. Use words like learn, try, practice, and improve. Repeat after me. I practice every day. Now I will talk about chores that are fun. Cleaning can be fun with music. I tidy a room and feel proud after. I organize books by color or by size. I sort clothes and find old items I like. Cleaning can feel like a small game. I set a timer for 10 minutes and clean fast. I say go and I start. That can be fun. Repeat after me. I clean for 10 minutes. I will talk about calling friends and family. I make video calls to talk and laugh. I say hello and ask how are you. I hear news and tell stories. Talking with loved ones is warm. It fills the home with joy. Use simple phrases like how are you, I am good, what are you doing, and see you soon. Repeat after me. How are you today? Now I will give an example of how you should introduce yourself. Listen and try to copy. You can pause and repeat any sentence. Hello, my name is Ben. I live in a small town in the United States. I work from home some days. I like to read in the morning. I watch movies in the evening. I cook dinner on weekends. I play guitar on Sunday afternoons. I walk in the park near my home. I water my plants twice a week. I sometimes bake bread on a slow day. I call my family on Sunday night. I play a board game with a friend online. I draw and paint for fun. I watch a simple show to learn new words. I clean my desk and feel good after. I like to listen to jazz music while I work. My dog name is Max. He sleeps on a small bed near my desk. I help Max learn new tricks. I like to learn new recipes from the internet. I practice a new English word each day. I try to use this word in a short sentence. I write a small journal in the evening. I enjoy making tea and reading a short story. I always say thank you to my friends. I like to smile and be kind. Now repeat after me. Hello, my name is Ben. I live in a small town. I like to read. I like to cook. I like to play guitar. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. You can also change the monologue to fit your life. Use these simple lines. Hello, my name is I am from. I live in. I like to. I enjoy. I am learning. I practice every day. Here is a small example for you. Hello, my name is Anna. I am from Spain. I live with my sister. I cook lunch at home. I read a novel in the evening. I paint once a week. I call my parents on Sunday. I walk with my dog in the park. I learn new English words daily. I study music online. I bake a cake for my friend. Now you try. Say hello, my name is and your name. Say I live in and your city. Say I like to and do one fun activity. Say I enjoy and one more thing. Repeat after me. Hello, my name is I live in. I like to. I enjoy. Now I will tell a short story about a small day at home. This will help you hear real sentences. Listen and repeat parts you like. This morning I wake up at 7. I make coffee and toast. I open the window and breathe fresh air. I water the small herb pots. I read a short chapter of a book. I write 2 lines in my journal. I practice guitar for 20 minutes. I call a friend and we laugh about an old memory. At noon I cook a simple lunch. I eat with a plate and a glass of water. I clean the dishes and put them away. In the afternoon I watch one episode of a show. I learn 3 new words from the episode. I write them down. I make a list of activities for tomorrow. I take a walk and feel the sun. At night I bake a small cake. I eat a slice and share the rest with a friend. I read a little more and then I go to bed. Repeat a simple line. I read a short chapter of a book. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Now I will give tips to practice English at home. Use simple steps every day. Step 1. Read for 10 minutes. Step 2. Listen to one song. Step 3. Say 5 sentences out loud. Step 4. Write a short note about your day. Step 5. Call a friend and use one new word. These small steps add up. Practice is the key. Here are more simple practice ideas. Label items in your home with sticky notes. Put a sticker that says table, chair, door, window, fridge, and bed. Say the words as you touch them. Make a small list of 5 new words each day. Use the words in a sentence. Keep a small notebook for new words. Read simple children books in English. Use an app for short lessons. Watch short videos and repeat one sentence. Do a small craft and describe the steps in English. Play a simple card game and name the cards in English. Now a small practice session. I will say a sentence. You repeat it. Repeat after me. I play a game with my friend. I cook a new recipe. I listen to jazz music. I draw a quick picture. I water my plants. I call my family. I read a book. I watch a funny show. I clean my room. I bake cookies. You can pause and repeat any sentence. Try to say the sentences slowly. Try to say them with a smile. Try to say them with clear voice. Good work. Now I will share some simple questions you can ask a friend. Use these to start a conversation. How are you today? What do you like to do at home? Do you cook or bake? What show do you watch now? Do you play an instrument? Do you have a pet? What book do you read? Which hobby makes you happy? You can ask one question each time. Try to listen to the answer. Repeat the new words from the answer. Now a small practice dialogue. I will play 2 voices. First I say a question. Then I say a short answer. You can repeat both parts. Hello, how are you? I am good, thank you. What do you like to do at home? I like to bake bread. Do you watch any shows? Yes, I watch a funny show. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a cat. What do you do for exercise? I do yoga in the morning. Repeat after me. Hello, how are you? I am good, thank you. What do you like to do at home? I like to bake bread. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Now I will give final practice tasks you can do after this video. Task 1. Pick 3 activities you enjoy at home. Task 2. Write 3 sentences about each activity. Task 3. Say the sentences out loud. Task 4. Use one new word in each sentence. Task 5. Practice these tasks for 5 days. Small daily practice helps a lot. Keep your practice fun. Give yourself small goals. Reward your progress with a small treat. Share your new sentences with a friend. Ask for feedback. Smile when you speak. Be kind to yourself. I hope you enjoyed this episode about things I do at home for fun. I am glad you spent time with me today. Keep practicing the words and sentences. Use the monologue example to make your own. Try to speak every day. You will get better little by little. That is all for the lesson today. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe. See you next time.